Hello, happy people. Welcome to my green space. See you.
1, 2, 3.
Hello again, friends. Here I am. I'm using my back door to go through my garden. And then, you know what? Give me a minute. Let me get changed. Then we go through it. I'm coming. See ya. I love gardening. Most of my friends don't know. But it's the place that I enjoy to be. Quiet, dirty hands. But here I'm wearing gloves. And doing my own way. I don't think there is a wrong way to do gardening. As long as I see my things growing, and then this gonna making me so happy. So flower always makes people better, happier, and more helpful. And more helpful, they are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul. So flowers, gardening, that's all to me. I love my corner. Here I'm growing my spinach. It's getting big now. I think supermarket will be closing for me. No spinach from supermarket. I have spring onion in the corner there. I used to have potatoes. I give it away because I have neighbor pets come and do number 2 around my potato. I don't like it. So I keep my greens high. I really don't put it on the ground. I love to do this. It helps my soul in my free corner. And then I enjoy doing this. On my way, my time. Yes. I love it. It's really therapy for me. That's my spinach growing. Especially on Sunday, quiet Sunday. Is a part of my worship. To see how God is wonderful. To see how God allowed us to have what we have.
1, 2, 3.